Hi everyone. Now this is a command of evidence textual type of question, but there's a slight difference for this particular question type compared to the two questions that we had previously taken up. So the two questions that we had previously taken up were more towards giving an evidence for a scientific text, right? So supporting or undermining a particular claim which was based on a certain scientific kind of a context. Now this one over here is about literature, right? So here we are trying to create or give some kind of an evidence for a literature related text. Alright, now let's look at the question stem over here. That's the first step. Which quotation from to you most effectively illustrates the claim? So this is to you, that something that's being discussed in the text about, right? And which quotation out of all the four options given to us will illustrate a particular claim made about to you in the text? Let's go ahead and read the text now. To You is an 1856 poem by Walt. In the poem, Whitman suggests that readers, whom he addresses directly, have not fully understood themselves writing. So what happens in this poem? In this poem, basically, the poet says that people have not understood themselves, right? They have not understood themselves completely. He's addressing it directly to the readers, and that the readers have not understood themselves correctly or fully. This is what the claim is made about the poem to you. And I have to further provide an evidence from the options that is going to strengthen this claim that the readers have not understood themselves completely. Now let's go ahead and look at our options. Let's start eliminating. A. You have not known what you are. You have slumbered upon yourself all your life. Your eyelids have been the same as closed most of the time. So this you is readers over here, right? It's referring directly to the readers, and they don't know who they are, what they are, right? Their eyelids are closed most of the time. So basically they don't know who they are. This is kind of already supporting the claim that was made about the poem to you in the text, that they have not understood themselves completely. But I still have to go ahead and eliminate the rest of the options. Let's look at B now. These immense meadows, these interminable rivers, you are immense and interminable as they. So in this particular option, it's simply telling us that the readers are immense and they are interminable, correct? This has nothing to do with them not knowing themselves completely. So I'm going to eliminate this option. This is doing nothing to the claim about not knowing themselves. Let's look at C. I should have made my way straight to you long ago. I should have blabbed nothing but you. I should have chanted nothing but you. Again, now this is simply telling us what the poet should have done, right, for the readers, what the poet should have ideally done for the readers. But it has nothing to do with readers not completely understanding themselves again, right? So this is again irrelevant, so I'm going to eliminate this. D. I will leave all and come and make the hymns of you. None has understood you, but I understand you. Now here the line or the option says nobody has understood the readers, but the poet understands the readers, correct? But it's not telling me that the readers themselves have not understood completely, right? So they have not understood themselves completely is still not being supported through this option. It's simply telling me that the author has understood, the poet has understood the readers and no one else, but nothing about what the readers have to say about knowing themselves completely. So I'm going to eliminate this as well. This is not supporting or doing anything to this particular claim made about to you in the text. And we're left with A. This is our correct option.